This is a quick video to help you with dividing a fraction by a whole number. This is what our equation is going to look like. Again, usual setup with the division problem. The only difference is your first number is going to be a fraction. These are going to be tiny answers. So these are going to be things where you're taking a small piece of something and you're making it smaller. So for example, you have half of a pizza left over, you split the leftovers with 3 friends, or can also be spaces, like you're using half the basketball court and then you're splitting the half of basketball court with 2 people and sharing the basketball court, so it's like half of a half, or half divided by 2. That's actually how I should have said it. So in this case, you're going to get a tiny answer, like small answer, because it's a piece of a piece. So in this case, this would be my equation, 1/2 divided by 3. Remember, again, on these problems, we're looking to do an equation, and also, besides doing an equation, we're also looking to do a model. So with a model for a division problem with a whole number, we're going to draw in our fraction. Only, here's the thing, a lot of times when we draw a fraction and we make a model and we start thinking about it, a lot of times people shade them. And in this case, we don't want to shade it with division. So we have the half, and what we want to do now is split that into 3. So we're going to take it, we're going to split this into 3. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then from that, then, what you're really doing is you're thinking about, if you take half divided by 3, what one piece of that will be. So in this case, instead of shading, you're actually just circling one piece. So in this case, if you take half divided by 3, what you have is one piece is 1/6. So this is my 1, and then after I split the half into 3, I have a total of 6 pieces. So 1 out of 6, or 1/6.